Hello everybody, my name is General James and today I'm going to be doing Module 1, the History of Science, Search for the Truth in Apologia Science, General Science. So today I'm going to be doing an experiment, Density in Nature. The purpose is to understand how atoms could explain things we see in nature. Okay, so what we're going to need is a tall, clear canister or jar with a lid. Tall, boom. Lid. We need a ping pong ball, substituted for a Nerf rival ball. A 3-ounce lead sinker, substituted as a magnetic ball, that's about the same weight. And then a bag of unpopped popcorn, which we have right here. Okay. So then, the question is what happens to two objects of different densities? And density is a measurement that compares the amount of matter an object has to its volume when they are in the same container. So that's what we're going to be figuring out today. So then also when you make a hypothesis, make sure you know what you think will happen to the less dense ball before you complete step 4 of the experiment. Okay. So my personal hypothesis is that if I put a Nerf rival ball and a much heavier and denser magnetic ball in a jar, right here, full of popcorn kernels, then I believe that the magnetic ball will fall to the bottom and the Nerf rival ball will come to the top. Okay. So, step 1. Fill the canister with popcorn so that it is about 3/4 full. Yeah, it's probably about, no more. Okay, that's probably about 3/4 full. So now I'm going to put the Nerf rival ball right here in the middle and push it down a little bit. Okay, so then now I'm going to fill up, okay, bury the ping pong ball, so you cannot see the ping pong ball. Okay, I cannot see the ping pong ball anymore. Okay, so I'm going to put it down a little bit more. There we go. Perfect. Okay. So then you should not be able to see, I cannot see it. Okay, so then fill up the popcorn. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to put this thing right there. Okay, so then now I'm going to put the lid on. There we go. Okay. So now I'm going to vigorously swirl the container around and around in a circular motion from side to side and watch what happens to the balls. Use common sense when shaking so that your container does not break. And ping pong ball on the top. Okay. So then now, okay, okay. So then now I'm gonna look in here. If I can get this lid off. Okay. So after we just did the experiment, so now we need to figure out if my hypothesis was correct. And my hypothesis, I'll read it again. If I put a Nerf rival ball and a much heavier and denser magnetic ball in a jar of popcorn kernels, I believe that the magnetic ball will fall to the bottom and the Nerf rival ball will rise to the top. So, the rival ball is at the top, magnetic ball at the bottom. Okay? So it seems like in this particular experiment, my hypothesis was correct. Okay, from Apologia General Science, here's Explore More. So what we're going to do is fill 1 glass with very hot water, which we're currently boiling in the tea kettle, and then another glass with very cold water, which I have right here. Then add a single drop of food coloring, right here, to each glass. Okay, watch how the color gets distributed in the water. In which glass does the color spread out faster? And it turns out that atoms move faster when a substance is hot. So the glass filled with hot water will distribute the food coloring much quicker. The cold water will eventually distribute the color as well. Both have atoms moving around, but some move more rapidly than others. So we have a hot thing of water, and then we have a cold glass of water. Okay, I'm gonna put this in quickly. So hopefully. Okay. So obviously the hot water, as you can see, the dye is spreading much quicker than the cold one, because this one is just little globs. This is pretty much completely spread in the water already. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.